Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today's lesson will be on multiplying three-digit numbers by one-digit number with renaming. Now, last time we had looked at multiplying two-digit numbers with one-digit number with renaming. Now, today we're going to be moving on. Now, I have two examples here. And the first one is we're going to be multiplying 237 by 3. Now remember, when we're multiplying, we start with the digit in the ones column. Now I've set up the numbers on a place value chart so you can follow along as I go. And this should be easy for you, okay? Knowing that we know our place value and we also know our timetables. I'm sure we do. Should have been studying that all this while. So let's go. So we're going to be multiplying 237 times 3. Now we are starting with the digit in the ones column. So the first digit we have is 7, and the 7 is in the ones column. So we have 3 times 7 gives us 21. All right, so we'll put the 1 right here. Now it's 21. And 21 is made up of 1 and tens. And so we are leaving the 1 in the ones column, and we are going to take the 2 over to the tens column. And we must remember to add it when next we multiply. Alright? So let's go again now. So we are moving on now to the tens column, the digit in the tens column. We are going to multiply that. So we have 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. That's correct. So it's 9. Remember, we had carried over this 2 to the tens column, so we can't forget it. So it's 3 times 3. 9 plus 2 gives us a total of 11. And so we are going to put that 1 under the tens column, and then we are going to take the other 1 over to the hundreds column. And we are going to remember to add it when next we do our multiplication. So let's go now. 3 times 2 gives us 6. But remember, we can't forget the 1 that we carried over. And so it is 3 times 2 gives us 6. Add the 1 we brought over, makes it 7. And that gives us the answer of 7. So our answer for 237 times 3 is 711. Now we're going to try another one, and the other one is going to be 305 times 5. Now I know 5 times is like easy cheesy for everybody, so everybody knows that 5 times. So let's go. So we have 305 times 5, and we are starting with the digit in the ones column. So let's go. 5 times 5 give us 25. That's correct, 25. So we are going to put the 5 under the ones column. We are going to take the 2 over to the tens column, and we are going to remember to add it when next we multiply. Now let's go. We are over to the tens column now. 5 times 0 is, did I hear somebody say 5? Because if you said 5, you know you're not correct. And why is that so? Because the rule says that when a number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. Therefore, 5 times 0 is 0. But then remember, we had carried over the 2, so it's 5 times 0, 0. plus 2 gives us an answer here of 2. So we put the 2 down here. So we are moving on. Now we have 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. That's correct. So we are going to put the 5 under the hundredth place. And we are going to take that 1 over to the thousand place. And we are going to put it right here. We are not multiplying it. It's 15. So we're putting the 15 down right here. So it's 5 times 3, 15. And because we don't have anything to multiply in the thousands column, we put the entire 15 down here. So we have the 1 and the 5. And so, but the 1, however, ends up in the thousand place. So let's go again. So it's 5 times 5 give us 25. We put the 5 in the ones column. We take the 2 over to the tens column. 5 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 2, the answer is 2. Finally, it's 5 times 3, 15. We put the entire 15 down because we have nothing to multiply in the thousand column. So we put the 5 under the hundred place and we put the 1 under the thousand place. Now you're going to try some for me. Okay, boys and girls?